In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a sell stop order on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're just starting out with trading or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to set up a sell stop order is crucial. This type of order can help you capitalize on market movements while providing a layer of automation and discipline to your trading strategy. Let's begin by navigating to the MetaTrader 5 platform. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see the option for New Order. You can click on this, or for a quicker approach, simply press the F9 key on your keyboard. Both options will bring up the order window, where you can input the details for your sell stop order. Within this order window, the first task is to select the trading symbol you're interested in, if it hasn't been pre-selected. The symbol represents the financial instrument you wish to trade, like a particular currency pair or commodity. Selecting the correct symbol is crucial, as it determines the market your order will be placed in. Next, you'll want to specify the volume of your trade. This volume represents the size of the position you are willing to take, usually measured in lots. Being precise here is important because it dictates the potential risk and reward associated with the trade. Make sure this aligns with your trading plan and risk management strategy. Now, look to the left side of the order window for the stop order section. Here is where you will enter the exact price at which you want to trigger your sell order. Remember, a sell stop order is designed to execute your trade at a point below the current market price, so make sure the price you enter reflects this. This setup allows you to enter the market with the expectation that the price will continue to fall once it reaches your specified level. While not mandatory, you also have the option to set a stop loss. This is positioned above your sell stop price and serves as a safety net, limiting the losses should the market move against your trade. Similarly, you can set a take profit level. This is placed below the sell stop price and automatically closes your trade once the desired profit is achieved. Both features can be invaluable in risk management, ensuring your trading stays within your acceptable parameters. Lastly, if you wish for the order to expire, you can set an expiration date and time. This option ensures that if the market hasn't reached your sell stop price by your selected date, the order will be cancelled automatically. Once all these details are in place, simply click on Sell below to finalize and place your sell stop order. With everything set, your order will now sit in the system, ready to execute if and when the market hits your specified price. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a sell stop order on MetaTrader 5. It's a great way to enhance your trading strategy, keep emotions in check, and manage trades more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.